Probably.
I think it's day 8. We're going to Typhoon Lagoon. And it's a bit cold.
It's a little bit chilly.
But it's a bit warmer than yesterday. The park is actually open. Typhoon Lagoon is currently 16 degrees. So, British summer. Wow, waiting in line. It's not even open yet. There wasn't a cloud in the sky.
What the earliest girls ever. Look at
Wow,
us.
we finally managed to get somewhere early because it opens at 10.
Can you get down and stop destroying leaves, please?
Wow, we're in Typhoon Lagoon. Secret toilet vid for you, because Tasha's taking ages. Oh, welcome to Misadventure Falls. Look at this lady. Wow. Ooh, splish splash. Splash. Woohoo.
It's not too cold. Wow, what is happening?
Hello, ladies. This is the ride. Ah! Whoa. We're going up there.
Hello? Splish splashing in Miss American Pie. My Miss American Pie.
I'm wet. It's so hot. What's
It's really cold in here. I'm shaking. Whew.
Should we like link our legs together so we don't get I feel like I'm like being in an airlift into a helicopter. Yeah. Splish, splish. Oh, we're gonna crash. You wanna ride? Why am I so retarded?
slides,
All of them except the really
except for Humunga Cowabunga. And what was our favourite? Punch and Gusher.
Yeah, Banana Blaster.
And we went on Misadventure Falls with a little friend and his grandma.
The singular ones, the storm rushes were nice, but all the water rushed up our nose.
Yeah. The only thing is you have to carry your tube up all the stairs.
To crush and
It's like DYO tube. Do a bit of a workout before you come.
It was, oh my god, the family tube, that was like 10 kilograms.
Yeah. We went in the lazy river. It was really cold. It was nice and lazy. It was really cold though, that wasn't heated. And we're chilling and it's a bit warmer in the sun.
Oh, this is on though. Can we have chicken and Italian sausage, please? My time look good too. Mushroom. Do you want any of this? Yeah,
Thank you. Check the salad.
Is that all?
That's definitely all.
Yep.
Look at it go.
We're number 335.
So we finished at Typhoon Lagoon. Survived the public showers.
Good girl.
Now we're at Blaze Pizza. We waited a long time, but this looks good.
Okay, let's write down.
Fill
So
our
first
pizza.
we
So we
have
have
white sauce, mozzarella, chicken, Italian sausage, mushrooms, black olives, artichokes, red pepper, and basil.
nice. And
Is that
Caesar
cauliflower?
salad. No.
Is it an artichoke?
I'm very excited to eat this. We're so hungry. So this was only $10.95.
These candy glashers. We're done at Disney Springs.
Leaving Disney Springs for the last time.
Last time in forever.
Done a little bit of shopping.
We
Lucia
went to
got
the
some
Lego
candy. We spent about an hour in the Lego shop just building some people.
So in the Lego shop they have like build your own guide.
Now we're getting the bus home and then we're going to Magic Kingdom.
Wait, I thought we were getting...
I meant we were getting the boat. I nearly said bus again. Boat. We're getting the boat back. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello.
Mickey Mouse loves me right now.
We're finally in Magic Kingdom. The sun has gone down.
I'm in the dark, and I'm scared I won't get to see the park. Whoa, that smells so cheesy.
Yeah.
Is that
It
cheese
smells like
corn?
cheesy feet.
Okay. They should call it cheese.
Oh, look at the circus.
It's the circus after all.
This is the wildest ride in the wilderness. Just kidding, it's the barnstormer. It's like, we got a lobster roll. Try it. some people.
Quiet and carefree, highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your grand. The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
This might be our last ride in Magic Kingdom. Probably is now. Look at that. Oh, big Honda 35. Beautiful. We waited in the standby line for Space Mountain for the first time, and we were on the opposite side of the mountain.
So we planned a photo.
Because we're professionals now.
But the camera
But we
was
looked
not
the wrong way.
where we were expecting it.
So check this out.
It's great.
That's our final Magic Kingdom picture. Good work, us. Watch out for the gaps on Main Street.
And Tasha loves tripping on Main Street.
Love tripping on Main Street.
You haven't actually done it this trip, so I'm proud of you.
No, I did once.
Sure,
Get
Jen.
hurt. Okay, now we're leaving.
Alright, we say goodbye to the castle because we love it.
Bye.
Bye, castle.
Bye.
Love
Good night. We're checking out tomorrow of Disney. Sad. Okay. Good night.
Good night. Should we guess?
And make a big hoop with your arms. Like just like that. Okay, so this is our forest in Africa, right? Use your imagination. I like it. All right, now that we have a target for Harvey, let's see if he can fly right through the middle. You ready to give it a try? Yeah.